Smart wiring is a process of running cables throughout the home by accredited smart wiring technicians. Connect Multimedia design and install all of the cabling requirements before the gyprock goes onto the walls. We run all of the wires back to a central location. Documentation is produced to make sure that all of the services have been thought of, and our installation team is well aware of what cables need to be run throughout the home, and they're ticked off as they're installed. All cables are run through the wall cavities and then eventually terminated onto labelled wall plates. Smart wiring delivers services like music, pay TV, free-to-air, internet and phones via this cabling. Most modern home entertainment systems now require access to the internet to deliver the full functionality of the device. Connect Multimedia come back on site during the next phase of construction, which is after the plasterboard has been placed on the walls. All the wiring is run back to a central location in a cabinet or a rack like this one. They're clearly labelled, so this allows for easy maintenance or changes to the system as the house evolves over the coming years. Another advantage of smart wiring is the integration of other services like security, lighting control, audio visuals and home automation into one centrally located intelligent system. If you're building a new home or you'd just like to learn more about smart wiring, please don't hesitate to contact us via the details on your screen now. We'd love to be involved in your project.